Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, a lot of you will recall the controversy, the Yawa that burst when Etinosa, the Nigerian young female actress and movie producer, went on MC Galaxy's live Instagram streaming, and she went NUDE, you know, on the program. We all saw it. I've still got a clip of it on my laptop. I'm sure, you know, I'm sure we've all seen all of that. So now there was a lot of controversy that spilled out off the back of that, a lot of blames to go around, and a lot of that blame actually went the way of MC Galaxy. So now that was back in March, around about March 15 it was. So now MC Galaxy is now coming out to add more detail to what actually transpired. So guys, I bring you this ID Live NUD. Me and Etinosa planned she would come NAKED, but not to the extreme she went, MC Galaxy explained. So I'm having to sort of like obscure a few words for reasons of YouTube. So we go into the body of the story now. On March 15, actress and popular Instagram comedian Etinosa made news after she appeared completely NAKED on singer MC Galaxy's IG live video show. She received a lot of backlash from Nigerians and at a point came out to apologize and state that she regrets her action. In a fresh interview with the Hype TV, MC Galaxy says he himself and the comedian planned that she would go NAKED on his IG Instagram, IG obviously means Instagram, so on his IG live, but he did not know she would go to the extent that she did. He said, "I think I need to say the whole truth about this live video thing once and for all. The live video thing, we planned it. Me and Etinosa actually planned that stuff, but I wasn't completely happy the way the whole thing turned out that was put upon me alone. We planned it, but we did not plan she would over NAKED like that. She overdid it when she came on live video." So she overdid it when she came on live video. So this is now the guy also suffering the backlash from that now viral and famous, or shall we say infamous video, that session that they had. So he's now obviously still feeling the heat from the backlash. This is as far back as March, but he's still feeling the heat as well, and he's now feeling the need to cleanse his image and to polish his image up a little bit. So he's now coming up with this storyline. I'm not sure how true it is or how false it is, but he's saying that they planned the entire thing, but the girl took it to the extremes. So this is the narrative that he's now adding to that particular infamous viral video that we all saw in March. So Etinosa and MC Galaxy and Instagram live shows, that's the topic of conversation for this video. As we do it, you come join me in the comment section to share your views. This is what we do on this channel. But before you come join me in the comment section to share your views, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Click on the bell button, that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come join me in the comment section. Let me know what you are making of all these Etinosa, MC Galaxy and Instagram live shows. This is what we're talking about. So come meet me in the comment section. We'll have a chat about all this. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I say peace.